This video will cover assembly procedures for the Woolhouse Tools studio stands. This covers all studio stand models. The first thing you're going to want to do is inventory what you have. You should have 2 loom supports, 2 stand sides, 2 stand feet, 2 shuttle shelves, 2 stretchers, 12 long 1/4 screws, 12 1/4 barrel connectors, 8 1/4 lock nuts, 8 1/4 short screws, 8 washers, 1 4mm wrench, 1 1/2 inch wrench, and 2 Velcro straps. So lay the side pieces down on a flat surface. You're going to install the short screws in the bottom and top and the long screws in the middle. So as you can see, I have the washers and the lock nuts on the top and bottom, and I've used the included 1/2 inch wrench and hex wrench to tighten those down. Repeat this process on the other legs. So now I have both of the assemblies complete. Notice how the side piece is sitting on the outside, okay? You don't want it on the inside. It needs to be on the outside of the support and the legs. Now drop the barrel connectors into the stretchers and connect the sides to each other. So set the stand on the floor on a flat surface and tighten all of the screws down. You don't need to Hulk them down, but just get them tight enough so that the stand doesn't move. The last step is to take your shuttle shelves and install the barrel connectors into these and put your shuttle shelf right there on the side of your loom stand. Your assembly is now complete. You can set your loom on top of your stand, and the Velcro straps go through this hole in the stand and onto the loom base itself. Happy weaving.